guys, we made it to San Diego. This is our front door. This is what it looks like. So you walk in, it's this small little place. It's the living room. Got TV. And the bedroom. And the closet. We also have a small little bathroom, but it'll do. It'll do. And then you guys should see the kitchen. It is so small. Look at this. It's so cute. Look at this little coffee maker. It's like the cutest little thing ever. So excited. It's 8:55 here in San Diego, so really excited. Yesterday after the airport, we kind of just came to the unit and what did we do? Oh, we went to walk around.
We went to Pacific Beach.
Yeah, we went to Pacific Beach and then we went to this place called Surfin', what? Surfin'? Single Fin.
And Coconut.
And
no,
Miss B's Coconut Bar. And it was really good. The food here is really good. And yeah, so we're just gonna kind of chill. It's kind of cloudy. I would hope the sun comes out because I want to go to the beach. But we're gonna go ride bikes now. Okay, bye. Yeah, take the boogie board. Thank you. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. No. Yesterday was Sunday. It's Monday and it's around 9:30. I've been awake since 6 o'clock. I am so not used to this time adjustment. It's insane. The time difference from Texas in California is 2 hours, and I'm just not used to it. Like, I have not been sleeping the past few nights we've been here. I've been waking up like every hour. It's so nice outside right now. I just walked out of our unit.
Hello!
A picture or a statue. What is this?
Called the Unconditional Surrender.
Unconditional Surrender. Here, I'm gonna like read it
Or
to you.
Embracing Peace.
Oh, Embracing Peace. This is what it is. Hold on. So here's the little like. And then there's the big old like statue thing.
About to eat at this really cool place called Puesto. It was probably my favorite little stop for tacos that we had last time I visited the city, but it's her turn to see it and share it.
Yay! My turn to eat tacos. We're in downtown.
And they have literally the best and coolest looking tacos ever.
Yeah, you guys will see in a second.
So bomb.